The Sons of Ramgaroo by Sukumar Ray. To the Sons of Ramgaroo, love is taboo. A funny tale will make them wail. We're not amused, boo. We live in constant fear of chuckles, funny and start and bound at every sound that brings a breath of cheer. The peace of mind fortifying, we sit and keep repeating. We believe in only grieving, happiness is fleeting. We shun the summer breeze that whispers through the trees, for fear the stir of leaf and bird their funny bones should tease. They keep a wary eye on the autumn sky for signs of mirth, both the earth and forming cumuli. The darkness of the night brings them no respite, as fireflies extemporise the dances of delight. Those of you who are jolly, and feel to woe is folly, must not refuse the Ramgaroos their right to melancholy. The Ramgaroosian lair bereft of sun and air is doomed to be a monastery of permanent despair.